Hi guys, welcome to Kanak Infosystems YouTube channel. My name is Petrushan and here I am starting a new video series in which I am explaining hooks that are present in Odoo.js. I am starting with a hook named as useState. Have you ever faced problem when you want to reflect some changes on the view in real time? So using useState will resolve all those problems for you guys. Let me show you how it works. So here I have created a component named as a navbar menu and I have attached this particular component in this particular area. If you want to gain more knowledge about how to add a new component in this particular area, then you can watch our previous videos. Link will be provided in the description. So here I have used the use state for changing the icon. So here I have initialized my this dot state for and use the use state in here. Also, I have used this use state for in here. So I'm using this for particularly in change in icon. So according to the code, when I change this particular selection, this particular icon need to be changed. So let me show you. When I'm changing this particular selection, this particular icon is changing. So when we want to reflect the changes in the real time, this will work. Also, I have used something like when I click on this particular icon, it needs to open the tree view and the form view of the sale order. So when I'm clicking on this one, it is opening a sale order form view, new sale order form view. When I change this to tree view, it needs to open this particular sale order tree view. So all this is dynamic and I am able to achieve this by use state. Thank you for watching this video. We keep working on bringing useful videos like this one for you guys. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kanak Infosystems YouTube channel. Thank you.